Hello, everyone. I am glad that you are back. So, today we are going to be talking about how to make your microphone sound professional. So, make sure that you have the right recording device you want. Now, I'm going to record this and let it play out for about 5 seconds, and then I'll just speak. Okay, and now welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. All right, so here we have our track, and let's just see how this sounds. And I know it was going off a little high here, and it may sound a bit louder than normal. Okay, and now welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. All right, now the good news is that this will still fix it. So come over to here. We're gonna get this. I'm gonna go to noise reduction. You're gonna get the noise profile, correct? Actually, yes, you're gonna get it. You're gonna go back here, noise reduction, one more time. Click OK. Okay. Or wait a minute. Yeah. All right. Okay, yeah. So just go back to noise reduction and reduce that one more time. So make sure that it's highlighted for this next part. All right. Yeah, and you just need one noise reduction. Just do it once, okay? Now, this is where we bring in the filter curve EQ. And from here, we are going to add a bass boost right here. So it'll look something like this. Click apply. All right. And even though it looks like it just got louder, that's good. But it'll work out in our favor in a moment. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Come back to EQ and filters, or it may look different if you're on a Microsoft Word. So come here. You've got the presettings here. We're going to do, now we have to do a treble boost. Just like Megan Trainor. All about that bass, no treble, but in this case, we need a treble to balance it out. Come back to filter EQ one more time, filter curve EQ one more time, and we need a low roll off for speech. Click apply. Okay, and now we are going to add a compressor. If your volume is too high at one place, you will have the you're going to have a it'll lower it, and if it's too low at one place, it'll raise it up. So yeah. All right, and keep it like this. And this is typically the compressor settings I use for audiobooks, and I'm just going to keep this as my standard. Okay, and you see the slight switch there, so that's good. And we're almost done here, but we need a limiter. Okay, so here we go for this, and we have to click apply here, and there it is. So we're going to take a look at how this sounds, and then I will show you what I did previously. Okay, and now welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. And there was a little background noise in the back, so let's just go there. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, and now welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. Okay, and one more time here to make it sound professional. Okay, and now welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial.
But it's more about here where it sounds really good. If you do have all those ticks, it's going to pick up on that, and you need to watch your background noise. If you have a fan on or something when you're recording, it won't. But this is what you need to do to make it sound professional when you are going out and you're recording your podcasts or your audiobooks or something. This is going to be your best. This method is going to be your best friend. I'm going to leave a set of steps in the comments for you. So I'll pin that or something. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. And with that being said, take care.